Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can fix your Snapchat login error. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead into your mobile settings. Finally, once you have done that, scroll all the way down until you find your apps and notification settings, or it could be apps and management on your phone. Once you have tapped on it, this is the screen you're gonna be in. Over here it will show you your recently opened apps, but you're gonna click on see all apps right over here, and finally scroll down until you find your Snapchat application. So finally, once you found your Snapchat, tap on it. And then on the top right there is going to be a force stop button. Go ahead and tap on that and restart your phone, and that should hopefully fix it. But if it still doesn't fix your login error, simply click on storage and cache, and then go ahead and clear your cache, which is basically going to delete all the temporary files that Snapchat may not need. And then go ahead and clear your storage, which will delete all the app data, databases and stuff like that, which will make your Snapchat faster, and then it might resolve the problem. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.